And again, we can caress up through all these bands of tension, and you can see where the band comes because his finger flicks out as we get into here. And we can feel all this tension. You know, again, caressing it, but if you come to a point where it's not letting go, you don't want to overwork it. You just say, I need to come in next time and do some work with chopsticks here because I don't want to work too hard here. And they're quite likely to go, yes, please don't work too hard there. I can do a little bit of joint pulling, but again, you're going to be slipping pretty easily with oil. You can still hold this point. He's very tight in there. This is really nice to get into. As I mentioned, the top of the foot, the top of the hand here is just coming in and moving all this. And then even in here, and just getting it up from here. Pressure okay still, Art?
Oh.
Bit on the edge?
A bit on the edge, just
yeah.
Kind of last bit. But...
Yeah, you can feel how tight you are in here. You can come up here. We don't want to use our fingers too much, otherwise they'll get sore. We can work up even in here. We can have the wrist like this and work up through here. We can hold points. And all the while you can see like his skin now is getting a much better kind of look to it as a bit of that moisture from the oil goes into the skin. You know, he's not looking so dry anymore. Can even come right up here. For people with a lot of hair or people that are really concerned about their hair, don't get your oil in their hair. Or he doesn't seem like too worried about it at all. You're not too worried about a little bit of oil in your hair, are you? So oil massage doesn't have to be sensual as such. It's not always like you're not feeling like sensually aroused or anything like that.
Right
Not good. But it can be if you go too light. You know, people can get more into it. Oil massage has that tendency for people to start thinking about it in a sensual way if it's very light. Still very tight there. So I'm really interested in what's happening over here on the opposite side. So we're going to get him to roll